Julia is visiting us from Mozambique, and this young, cheerful lady met with an accident, I think 5 or 6 years ago, and she had broken her hip. Basically, the socket of the hip was broken, and that let the bone of the hip go up. And she was walking with a limp, pain, leg was short, and it was not getting better. So she came in to our hospital. We basically did a CT scan of her hip and we realized what the problem is. And then we counseled her that basically she needs a hip replacement and the broken socket has to be reconstructed and the leg has to be restored back to its length. So we did it. It was a complex surgery, but I'm pleased that it was really good. And she is now recovering well. Her leg is now equal in the length. And in coming few weeks, I feel she will be walking with a fully balanced walking pattern. And I think I wish best of luck for her recovery. Thank you very much.